8 tremendous reasons to love math. Do you ever hear this? I hate math. Why do we have to do this? Math is boring. Math is hard. Math gets a bad rap. Parents and teachers who don't like math can pass that attitude on to kids who then don't like math. How we talk about and teach math matters. So how do we create math lovers? Discover the joy of math yourself if you don't already love it. Share your enthusiasm for math. In your classroom, keep math fun, and give students reasons to love math. Number 8. Math can save you money. How much would that new video game be if there is a 20% off sale? Is it better to get the big box of cereal or the little one on sale? If you count up all the coins in your piggy bank, can you buy a new soccer ball? You use math to figure it out. Number 7. Math builds problem-solving skills. Math uses critical thinking and builds problem-solving skills. Learning to look at a problem, whether a math problem or a life problem, and come up with a plan is an important skill to practice. Number 6. Math encourages curiosity and questions. You may think of math as looking for the answer to a problem in a book or on a worksheet, but math really starts with wondering or asking a question. Helping students to start by wondering builds interest and motivation. Number 5. Math helps out in the kitchen. What's the easiest way to cut a pizza evenly to serve 12 people? Can you divide 15 apples fairly between 4 friends? If a batch of granola calls for 2.5 cups of oats, how much do you need to make a double batch? Fractions, multiplication, measurements, estimates. These are all parts of math that show up in the kitchen. Number 4. You can take lots of approaches to math. Even if math has a right answer, there are lots of ways to get to it. Teaching students different approaches gives them tools to solve different problems, helps them understand concepts, and lets them choose an approach that makes the most sense to them. Number 3. Math is play for your brain. Your body needs exercise and your brain does too. Think of math as running around at recess for your brain. Number 2. Finding the answer is satisfying. Math problems aren't easy to solve, but finding the answer can be very satisfying. Remind students that some problems are easier than others, and part of the fun is figuring it out. Bring a sense of curiosity and adventure to math class. Number 1. Math is useful in everyday life. When will I ever use this? Is a question that comes up often in math class. Brainstorm with your class ways you use math every day. I've given some examples for cooking and shopping and creating. Other ideas to get you started. Use math to decide if you have enough of a particular item for everyone in class or to decide if you have enough time to play a game. Use math to figure out how many days of school before break or to add up a score in a game. Post your list in your class, and add to it as new things come up.